I'm Chef Mike Anthony.
And today we're going to be making Fettuccine Alfredo.
Yes, this is the most basic butter, cream, and cheese sauce there is. It's easy, and it takes like 5 minutes to make. Addie, what kind of pasta is this?
Fettuccine.
Yeah, it's fresh pasta. Sometimes we use dried pasta. It's long and thin and soft.
But
It
it's
is
like
good.
as long as someone's hair.
So let's make sure we have all our ingredients ready to go.
Okay, so first we have everything.
Let's measure 1 cup. That looks great. And we need about 2 tablespoons of butter. And we need 1 clove of garlic. We can peel away 1 piece, 1 clove. And you want to give it just a little smash to take the skin off. Just a little tap. Great. That'll help us to peel the skin off the clove. There you go.
Ta-da! Peeled. Pow!
And then we need about 2/3 of a cup of grated cheese. What kind of cheese is that?
Parmesan.
And in Italian they call that Parmigiano. Reggiano.
In case so that you don't cut yourself, you want to hold it far away from it.
Let's slice the garlic thinly. Alright, so we have almost everything we need. Let's take just a pinch of nutmeg and put it in the cream.
Like this.
Yeah, great. Perfect. Are you ready to cook the pasta?
Yep. Let's cook it.
Alright, let's start by putting the cream into the saucepan. And we're going to reduce it by about half. I'm going to bring it to a simmer and then let it reduce down and get a little thick.
Okay.
And we'll put the garlic in there too so that it builds some flavor. And I'm going to put just a little bit of salt and pepper in there now. We can always add some later. And Addie, would you season the pasta water by pouring 1 palmful of salt into the pasta water? Alright, drop that right in the pasta water. We'll make sure that the water is boiling before we put the pasta in it. Can you see the cream starting to come to a boil?
Yeah, it's bubbling around the outside. You kind of want to toss it like 2 or 3 times so that the pasta loosens up and it doesn't stick together. We're going to put it all in there.
Good job. We'll leave that on high heat. We'll turn the butter sauce on low.
Smells really good.
Let's toss this pasta just a little bit so it heats evenly. Let's taste our sauce to see if there's enough salt and pepper.
Maybe a touch more salt.
Okay. We'll put a little touch of salt in there. That fresh pasta cooks really fast.
It's almost done already.
It really only takes about 3 minutes to cook. Can you see it boiling away there?
Yeah, it's like a jacuzzi because it's like...
Let's check one of these noodles. One way to check the pasta is to see, remember it's a little hot when it comes out of there, but you can just use your fingernail to try to pinch it. If your fingernail goes in easy, then it's ready. We're going to give it just another 30 seconds
Okay.
and then we'll strain it. I turned the heat down so that the water doesn't bubble over. All right, here we go. I'm going to go straight to the sink, okay?
Looks like you're brewing a potion.
Yeah. Now, we're going to put this pasta into the sauce.
Okay.
Then we're going to stir it up. Do you want to give it a little stir?
Go ahead,
Sure.
sing it, Dad.
Stir it up,
Oh,
little darling, stir it up. And it's still hot, so it's soaking up the cream sauce.
it absorbs it.
Yep, and it gets coated so that it's silky smooth.
And you can see like it's covering every
Right.
single piece. There's
You know what
not
the
a
next
piece
most
without
important
it.
part of this Fettuccine Alfredo is? We have to put the cheese in there. I'm going to add just a touch more cream to make sure that it's silky smooth, and you add the cheese.
All of it?
Yeah, or almost all of it, and we could put some on top at the end. All right, you want to keep stirring it? Nice. The sauce is coating the noodles, and you can stir from the bottom up, so you're tossing the noodles around. That looks great.
Okay.
Let's taste again to make sure we have the seasoning just right. Can I add a little twist of pepper?
Yeah.
And maybe just a little touch of salt?
Okay.
Good.
Salt.
Excellent. Wow, that looks so good.
It looks delicious.
Cheesy fettuccine ready to taste. Okay. See how that pasta just wants to, it's kind of shiny. It's not pasty. That looks great. Alrighty, let's give it a taste.
Mmm. I like this any day. It's quick and easy and really fun to make.
That's really good. Nice job.
I love it. So if you want to make it look fancy and neat and pretty, then you can add some cheese on top. You can fresh grate it right on top of it. Thanks for watching. That was a very easy, fun, delicious recipe that we made today. Hope you like it. Don't forget, before we go, like, share, subscribe, and comment what you want us to make. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Alright, fettuccine Alfredo is really just cream butter sauce.
Butt cream.
What is butt cream?
Okay, let's try that
Did you
again.
forget what you said? You said butt cream butter sauce instead of butter cream sauce.
All right,
Come on.
take